the applications are dismissed and each party will pay their own costs.
Ngomlomo wommeli wakhe, uThabo Bester uveze ukuthi ukusakazwa kwaloluhlelo kuzolimaza icala lakhe ekutheni liqulwe ngendlela engachemile.
It is almost impossible in an undue delay situation to specify precisely the prejudice that a criminal defendant would face in trial, but it is accepted that that delay would be prejudicial. Now, in this instance, what Mr. Bester says is that the fact that evidence which would form part of the state's docket is dealt with in the media before I myself have even had disclosure of that.
Kodwa ke ummeli weShowmax uLoluhlelo angeke lithikameze icala ngoba ngesikhathi luqoshwa kwakhulunywa nabantu abazoba ngofakazi ecaleni.
What is most critical in the context of this case is that in MIDI the documentary makers interviewed the actual witnesses to the crime, and in particular they interviewed the domestic worker who was holding baby Jordan when she was snatched by the criminals before her horrific murder, and that would form part of the documentary.
Nandipha Magudumana uthi ikhasimende lakhe likhala ngokuthi inkampani yaloluhlelo okuyi Multichoice izokwenza inzuzo ngabo bebe bengavumelananga ngalutho.
At the crux of it, what we're saying is they're not entitled to raise that this is a matter of public interest. We're saying that they are earning a profit from the subscriptions and the views that they garner from this broadcast.
Isiqephu sesine salolu hlelo sasiyatholakala ku-Showmax.